Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will teach you how to effortlessly have ChatGPT generate a list of helpful tips for any specific task. Ever needed some quick advice or pointers? ChatGPT is here to assist. To get started, just ask ChatGPT something like, for example, can you give me tips for planning a successful wedding? So be clear in your request so ChatGPT can provide you with relevant and practical suggestions. Let's ask ChatGPT now. Once you've asked, ChatGPT will use its knowledge to generate a list of useful tips tailored to your task, from selecting the right plans for your wedding and the quality and anything that you're looking for. ChatGPT will offer insights to make your wedding flourish. And that's it. You've just learned how to tap into ChatGPT's vast wisdom to create a handy list of tips for any task you have in mind. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you're feeling empowered to harness the capabilities of ChatGPT and make your task easier with its tip generating abilities. Once again, thank you for watching how to have ChatGPT generate a list of tips for a specific task. I can't wait to see you in the next video, so stay curious and keep exploring.